Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys iqoo phone guys setting, and today video title is guys what is talkback and how to use on iqoo mobile. Friends, you don't know about talkback, how to on talkback and how to use talkback on iqoo mobile. So don't worry friends, in this video friends I will show you how to use talkback on iqoo mobile. So open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it friends one by one and step by step we will talk about talkback setting. So first of all you will have to click on guys phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After on shortcut accessibility setting friends, you can see there are many settings: easy touch, incoming call, flash notification, one hand mode setting. Friends, click here accessibility. Friends, you want to select to speak setting, so you can on select to speak. Friends, you want to use your switch access, so you can on your switch access setting from here. Friends, click on talkback and on your talkback allow here friends, and friends talkback will on our device. So friends, you can use your talkback with double tap, because if you one tap friends you cannot use your phone back button, any button on your device. So friends, one tap here and double tap here, and two finger friends you can use your screen, one finger you cannot use. And friends, you want to close any app, double tap here and you can close with two finger. Okay friends, so guys a person who is blind guys, they use talkback with two finger because guys they cannot see, so guys they operate phone with sound. Friends, you can see when I will click on file sound, so friends I can when I will double tap here friends I can use my file, I can open my file. And friends, if you one tap friends, you can see on file guys we will one tap, so friends you cannot open your file. Same setting guys with any app guys, any app friends you want to on, example Facebook, one tap here, double tap here, and friends you can on Facebook app and you can use it. Friends, you want to close your recent app, one tap here, double tap, two finger friends you can close, one finger friends you cannot close your recent app. So guys, now let's see how to turn off talkback. So friends, now you want to off talkback on your device, so friends click on phone setting, double tap here, and friends scroll your screen with two finger. If you use one finger you cannot scroll your iqoo phone screen. Friends, use your two finger. Friends, click here shortcut and accessibility, one tap, double tap here, again scroll friends, accessibility setting, double tap here. Friends, click on talkback setting, double tap here, use talkback setting, one tap, then friends continue two tap, one tap, two tap, stop talkback, double tap, and friends talkback will off on your device. Off. And friends, now you cannot use friends talkback on your iqoo mobile. Friends, you can use your iqoo phone guy with one finger. So like that friends, we can use talkback full setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.